Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spark plugs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Cypress SixPack UF594 Ignition Coils and Spark Plugs Kit. This product is more than just spark plugs. It's a complete kit that includes 6 ignition coils and 6 spark plugs, making it ideal for vehicles like Volvos and Land Rovers. Its OE-compliant design ensures compatibility with several models, and the premium materials such as Japanese epoxy resin and German enameled copper wiring deliver excellent heat and voltage resistance. If you're dealing with rough idling, misfires, or hesitation, this kit promises to fix those issues while improving fuel efficiency and engine performance. This kit stands out for its build quality. With iridium-tipped electrodes and CNC-machined metal shells, the spark plugs are engineered for precise spark delivery and durability. The isostatic ceramic insulators prevent voltage leaks, ensuring consistent combustion over time. Users report smoother acceleration and quicker starts after installation. While the price is higher than standalone spark plugs, this is a full replacement kit designed for optimal performance, making it a great choice for DIYers and professionals alike. However, if you don't need the ignition coils, it may feel excessive for your needs. Overall, it's a premium option for those who want a complete solution for their vehicle's ignition system. Coming in at rank number 4, we have the premium option, the 16PC NGK Iridium iX Spark Plugs by Sixity Auto. Designed specifically for Ram 1500 5.7L V8 Hemi trucks, this set is built to deliver top-notch performance for heavy-duty vehicles. These spark plugs reduce emissions and misfires, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently over time. The Iridium alloy core provides exceptional heat resistance and durability, making this product a long-lasting investment. The build quality is excellent, as expected from NGK. The advanced center and ground electrodes ensure complete combustion for better ignition and spark efficiency. This translates to faster starts, stronger engine performance, and fewer misfires. With a durable shell and damage-tolerant electrodes, these plugs can withstand the demands of high-performance engines. That said, the price is steep at $146.81, and it's really tailored for those with specific vehicle compatibility. If you own a Ram 1500 and want the best spark plugs on the market to enhance performance, this set is worth considering. However, for the average car owner, this might be overkill. It's a premium product with a premium price tag, perfect for heavy-duty applications. At rank number 3, we have the NGK LKR7 DIX 11S Iridium iX Spark Plug 93175 Iridium iX, which comes in a pack of 4. Designed for performance enthusiasts, these spark plugs are all about ignitability and throttle response. The 0.6mm laser-welded iridium tip ensures a stable spark and high durability, making it ideal for high-performance engines. The tapered ground electrode minimizes electrical quenching, ensuring consistent combustion. While the triple gasket seal prevents gas leakage, the build quality is superb, with trivalent metal plating offering excellent anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties. Additionally, the longer insulator nose prevents fouling, making these plugs reliable even in challenging conditions. With a price tag of $29.99, this is a fantastic mid-range option for those looking to improve their engine's performance without breaking the bank. However, since this is a 4-pack, you may need multiple sets depending on your vehicle. Overall, the NGK LKR7 DIX 11S offers great value for performance-focused users, delivering reliability and efficiency in a compact package. At rank number 2, the NGK LKR7BIX 11S Iridium iX Spark Plug 93501 Iridium iX offers exceptional value for performance enthusiasts. With a 0.6mm laser-welded fine iridium tip, these spark plugs provide extreme ignitability, improved throttle response, and superior anti-fouling. The tapered ground electrode minimizes quenching, while the triple gasket seal prevents combustion gas leakage. These spark plugs are built to handle high-performance engines with an iridium alloy core that has a high melting point for excellent durability. The trivalent metal plating adds anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties, making installation and removal hassle-free. Users report smoother engine operation and enhanced fuel efficiency after switching to these plugs. At $30.49 for a 4-pack, these plugs are slightly more expensive than the number 3 option, but their consistent performance and durability make them a worthwhile investment. However, like the previous product, you may need to buy multiple packs depending on the number of cylinders in your engine. Overall, this is a reliable and high-performing choice for those who want to enhance their vehicle's ignition system. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the NGK number 3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs TR5GP. As the most budget-friendly option on this list, these spark plugs deliver outstanding value for their price. Designed with a platinum core, they resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition, all while operating across a wide heat range. The patented triple gasket sealing process ensures there's no combustion gas leakage, making these plugs both efficient and reliable. In terms of build quality, the platinum core ensures durability, while the compact design makes installation straightforward. These plugs are lightweight and perfect for everyday use. With a high customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, it's clear that users appreciate their performance and longevity. At just $28.70 for an 8-pack, these spark plugs are perfect for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on quality. While they may not deliver the high-performance benefits of Iridium plugs, they're an excellent option for standard vehicles and day-to-day driving. If you're looking for affordability paired with reliability, the NGK G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs are a clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.